Just a quick message before this video starts and you can enjoy all the tips and tricks on how to do tea. The videos on this channel really take a lot of time and effort to do, so don't hesitate to like and subscribe or comment to help the algorithm push the videos through so that more people can actually discover them. Any help will be greatly appreciated here. On this, I'll let you enjoy the video.
To make the green tea, for you to don't lose the properties from the tea, even if you buy a green tea from another blend, you never can put water with more than 7 degrees. Because if you boil the water, the antioxidants die. So you drink tea for your health, and if you make tea with boiled water, there's no antioxidants. For the black tea, for me, the beginning of to make a good black tea, it's one of our Goriana tea. It's 1 soup spoon for a liter.
Yeah.
And for a cup, 1 teaspoon. I like very strong tea, so I make more. But you put the leaves, then the boiled water. In the black tea, you can put boiled water, then 4 or 5 minutes, the flavors come. For me, very strong. The employers here, they don't let me do the tea for the tourists because they don't drink. Because I think it's because I drink tea since I was a girl, a baby. So I like strong teas.